Hello everyone. Today I am going to show you how to upload an assignment in your Google Classroom. So the first thing I'm going to do is click classwork here, and I'm going to click this plus create. There's a lot of different options. Today I'm going to use it, upload it as an assignment. So I'm going to click there. I am going to call it CVC word practice. I'm going to say, please watch this video. Say the letter, sounds, and words with the as the video plays. I'm going to say add YouTube. You can either search for the video here or you can click URL. I'm going to do that since I have the video pulled up right here. Copy and paste. Then there is the video. It pops right up. Click add. And then there is a lot of different options over here. You can choose to add it to multiple classrooms. If you had all your students, you could select a few students or all students, which I want all of my students to be able to watch this. You can put however many points you want this. So you say you could do 5 points, 10 points, or 20 points, whatever you want. I'm going to ungrade this. You can put a due date, which I like to do so it reminds them on their calendar. I'm going to put it just as June 30th, and you can choose to put it in topics. Mine's for literacy. Over here in this arrow, you can assign it right now, schedule it for later, save it as a draft, or discard. I'll click here to show you how you can schedule it. You can schedule it out, and it won't appear on their Google Classroom until then, which is very nice. You can choose even what time you want it on there, but I am going to just assign it right now. So I'm going to click this assign button. And then you can see that it popped up right there. And then it shows right up on their screen as well. And you can see my instructions and the video right there for the students to complete. Thank you.